Good afternoon, guys. Today we are filming the Wetco Pro car wash in Franklin Park, PA. This is my new location. To anyone that's been a long time follower, everyone knows I was in Cranberry Township. Well, now I'm in Franklin Park. We're gonna start out with pre-soak and our two top wheels. Got our passenger side, low side washer, and then our quick fire. And we got our passenger side quick fire, and then our driver side, low side washer, and then high pressure rinse. And our hot wax. And our ceramic. Dryers and tire shop. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.